can see here, my piping bag kind of broke, so I had no option, but I had to make the churros this way. Overall, the first churros that I made, since they were actually looking like churros before my piping bag broke, those actually cooked well from the inside. However, the bigger churros, those didn't really cook good from the inside because they were too thick, like too fat. So something I would have changed would have been to cut those in half. But overall, the churros are pretty good. I recommend them. And now on to TikTok recipe number 2, stovetop cookies. Overall, the cookies are kind of like pancakes. They do taste like the cookie dough, they're just a little bit dry, which is honestly normal because you're cooking them on a pan and not in the oven. But they're not that bad, to be honest. I wouldn't eat them again just because it takes longer than making them in the oven, but they're pretty good.